Let's check out an all-new 2022 Ember RV Overland Series 191 MDB. This trailer is 22 feet 6 inches long, has an outdoor kitchen with fridge, 5-sided aluminum construction. There's a huge slide out on this side. Ladder gets you up to the roof. Back door opens to get under the bunks. Off-road ready with current independent suspension. Full power awning. Lots of storage up front here. Off-grid ready with 3 190-watt solar panels, 200 amp hours of lithium batteries. Front sofa folds down into another bed. Top of that bed, there's a Murphy bed. That's a king size. The stargazer window opens up for a good view. TV over here. Dinette folds down into a bed for two. Full composite flooring. Look at this galley kitchen area. 2-burner cooktop. Look at all this storage. Your monitor tanks here. It has a Truma heater or hot water. Dometic air conditioning. 8 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer. Top bunk is spacious. Bottom bunk flips down. In the bath, we've got a porcelain toilet, large shower, vanity, medicine cabinet.